Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is a video of a review of the dash cam that I bought recently. So first one is this one. However, I'll do the review of this one a bit later. Let's do the review of this. The other one is a Chinese one. So this one is a Chinese one, and this one is by Hero Motocorp company, the Hero Group. So the thing is that this one is a Chinese one and it's an absolute crap. I bought this for 1500 rupees. I'll do the review of this one in the next video. For now, let's focus on this one. So I bought this for 3590 from Amazon, and let's do a quick unboxing. Okay, let's see. So here is the camera, and here's the double-sided tape for sticking it wherever you want, maybe on the dash cam. You can rotate it like this to adjust the angle. Oh, it doesn't move freely to 360-degree angle. इतना ही play है इसमें. So guys, here is the power button. So you can see there's a light which shows the notification and shows that the power is on. And here is the slot for the memory card, and the mic also is there, and then you can see there's a slot for powering the dash camera using this data cable like this, and the other end of this cable goes into the USB port or to this 12-volt charging socket, which you can plug it in your 12-volt socket, and then you can even directly connect it to the power bank if you want to connect it to your motorcycle. And okay, so let's see you in your car. So guys, now we are in my car, and let's switch on the ignition, and this is how I have connected it directly to the USB port of the car. And if you can see, I have put it behind the mirror, and you can see the blue light here because it's connected, and it has started recording. So the next kit would be of how this cam performs in daylight condition, and how good the video clarity is from this cam. Okay, see you.
बहुत महंगा आता है ये, रखने फुट रही है. अच्छा, कुछ आता है और ये सामान बहुत उठाता है, आगे भी रखने का, पीछे भी. इसमें रेजिस्टेंस चाहिए वाले, और स्पीड भी बहुत बढ़ता है. 40-50 आगे अच्छा वजन उठा देता है आगे भी. अच्छा, बेशक से आगे बिठा दो आप. तो डिलीवरी वाले घूमते हैं ना, इसको देखिए. ये वाला नहीं लेते वो. हाँ, वो जिप वाले जो जो लोकल मार्केट के है ना, उन लोगों को ले रहे वजन ज़्यादा जो ले जाते हैं ना इधर से उधर, शिफ्टिंग उनकी सारा दिन रहती है दुकानदारों की, वो ले रहे.